Hi, this is Carol from Inspiredby, and today I'm participating in Mrs. Vee's Food Tray Challenge. And all we had to do is decorate a 2-tier, 3-tier tray or 4-tier with food items. So continue watching this video and you can see how I decorated my 3-tier tray for this challenge. Have a fruit dip. Below, I have chocolates and cheese and cookies. And below that, we have the oranges, grapes, blackberries, and strawberries. Those are some of our favorite fruits that I always include in our fruit platters.